Today I'm looking at the Canon SX620 HS compact zoom camera. The SX620 is currently available in 3 colors. The beautiful red I have today, black and silver. I'll leave links to all 3 colors right below the video. The 620 comes with a built-in 25x zoom lens on the front, and I'll show you the zoom test in a minute. What's nice about the zoom lens is that it neatly retracts into the body, making the SX620 a very compact camera to carry around. It measures in at a little under 4 inches in length by about 2.5 inches tall by about an inch deep. A nice compact unit to carry around when you travel. The body is made from plastic but has a nice sturdy construction to it. I also like how the camera handles. While the grip isn't deep, it's very comfortable to hold and use. As with other Canon point-and-shoots, it has its on-off button and shutter button surrounded by the zoom toggle on the top surface. That surface also neatly hides a pop-up flash, which can come in very handy for shots in low light conditions. The buttons on the rear face are also very neatly arranged and intuitive to use. The camera's main interface and viewfinder is its 3-inch LCD screen, which is really sharp and bright even outdoors. The only thing I'm not a big fan of is that the screen doesn't flip over for vlogs and selfies, so don't expect this to be your first vlogging camera. However, I do like Canon's simple, clean design of the menu and options. Definitely a pleasure to use. The SX620 is powered by a Canon NB 13L battery, which lives in this compartment on the bottom with its SD card. Very pleasantly, Canon also includes a standalone battery charger. Unlike other manufacturers who usually only include a charge cable, this allows you to swap batteries out while your depleted battery recharges. And when it comes to SD cards, I recommend using at least a Class 10 SD card if you plan to record full HD video. I'll leave a link to one I recommend right below this video. The right hand face also has a micro USB port to connect the camera to a computer and a micro HDMI connector in case you need to connect it to a monitor or TV. Canon also provides a lanyard, which makes it easy to carry around. The 620 also has a 1/4 tripod thread in case you need to ever mount it to a travel tripod like this one. I'll leave a link to this cool Joby travel tripod below the video in case you need one. When it comes to photos, the camera shoots images as large as 20 megapixels and stores them in the JPEG format. I'm going to test the camera in the fully automatic mode just so beginners can get a sense of what their photos will look like. And as you can see, the pictures it takes are actually pretty impressive. As with most Canon cameras, the colors are very pleasing and natural, and the images are sharp and well exposed. The question most camera buyers these days have is, will it shoot better pictures than my phone? I tested it against my iPhone 7, and I have to say that the Canon starts off with a megapixel advantage. Shooting images with 20 megapixels versus the iPhone's 12, I also found the images on the Canon to be more pleasing than my iPhone, and I seem to like the pictures from my Canon more. It didn't disappoint when it came to low light either. The pictures it took were pretty impressive for a camera its size. When it comes to video, it can shoot full HD video at 30 FPS, and as with pictures, it produced really pleasing video, as you can see here. The 25x zoom also helps in capturing subjects you wouldn't have been able to get close to, like the bird in this shot. And just to show you the zoom capabilities of this camera, I'm going to zoom out of this shot so you can see how far away I really was from these two birds. The image stabilization was also pretty decent for a camera at this price. It kept the shot reasonably sharp even when zoomed in all the way. The SX620 is also Wi-Fi enabled, so you can connect it to your phone or tablet using the Canon Camera Connect app. And unlike several cameras I've tested in the past, the app works almost flawlessly and lets you view and transfer pictures and even control the camera remotely. A very useful feature if you plan to quickly post your travel pictures on Facebook or any other social media site. So what do I think about the Canon SX620 HS? I have to admit, I went into this review thinking, who needs a point-and-shoot camera these days? And I have to say that its performance and features really changed my mind. The little Canon's 25x zoom lens and superb picture quality keep it a cut above any smartphone. And thanks to its extremely compact size, it's also really convenient to carry when you travel. So I definitely recommend the Canon SX620 HS as a travel camera or even as a casual shooter. In case you're looking to buy one, I'll leave a link right below the video. If you own one of these cameras, I'd love to hear about your experience experience. So feel free to leave me a comment below. Hope this video was useful. If it was, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay tuned for more reviews, unboxings, and how-to videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.